My name is Steve Capazzi. I am the Senior Product Marketing Manager for Verizon, responsible over the Managed WAN Optimization Services. Managed Services itself is what some people call out-tasking or outsourcing. We take on management responsibilities for customers, managing their networks, so that customers can focus on their core business objectives. Verizon Business has included Riverbed in our global managed WAN optimization services as a standard vendor. So we have the ability now to offer Riverbed services and Riverbed hardware to our customers and provide a solution to our customers for WAN optimization. The story is we have a market leader from a WAN optimization technology perspective in Riverbed, combined with a market leader in global managed services in Verizon. We're putting those two together. It's offering customers a great deal more flexibility, a great deal more options, and a quicker or lower return on investment. At the same time, it's easier for them as well because we're taking care of many of the tasks for them. In this global economic climate that we're in right now, customers are looking to move away from a capital expense or a CapEx model and move to an operating expense, an OpEx model. A managed service and Riverbed's WAN optimization combined meet that goal excellently. Verizon Business chose Riverbed for various reasons, not the least of which is customer demand. I've had customers come to me saying, I want to purchase Riverbed, I want to purchase it from you, and I want you, Verizon Business, to manage that network for me. There are other reasons that we've chose them too. Obviously, Riverbed is a market leader in the WAN optimization segment. When customers think of WAN optimization, they often think of Riverbed as one of the first vendors they come to. Additionally, Riverbed offers our customers some feature functionality, some technical capabilities that aren't widely available in the market as well. Things like the applications they support for application level acceleration, or what some people call layer 7 acceleration. Applications like Exchange 2007 or 2010 or Lotus Notes, and not every other vendor does that. Customers look for WAN optimization for various reasons, not the least of which is the globalization of the market in general. The saying is, work is a function, not a place, right? People are expanding, the workforce is expanding globally. At the same time that the workforce is globalizing, companies are centralizing their data centers, bringing those data centers back to a central location, and what that creates are long transmission paths. When you combine long transmission paths with TCP applications, which are very chatty, many handshakes, in some cases 100 handshakes to set up and maintain a session, there's quite a bit of latency that's created over the link. So in order to, or by deploying a technology like WAN optimization, we can greatly reduce that number of handshakes, at the same time compressing and deduplicating the data that crosses the customer's network, the payload, if you will, giving the customer LAN-like experiences across the wide area network. Customers have large disaster recovery or business continuity requirements where they would have an off-site location where they have to maintain a large database of information. Well, if they have to back up that database on a daily or a weekly basis, typically it's a very large file, and typically not a great percentage of that file changes from day to day. So rather than transmitting that entire file across the wide area network, now you're just transmitting the changes, the deltas to that file, because the file's already cached at the distant end. Again, that can save customers a great deal of bandwidth and time to transmit that. It gives customers a great deal of opportunity, a great deal of flexibility, a great deal of options, and again, lowers their ROI, because the return on investment is ultimately what the customers are going after.